Welcome to the Quickfire Animal Quiz. This or that challenge. Think you know the animal kingdom? Get ready for a lightning-fast this or that animal challenge. From the fastest sprinters to the loudest roars. Only the sharpest minds will get them all right. Are you ready? Let's find out. Who's the ultimate speed champion on land? Cheetah or horse? It's the cheetah, the lightning sprinter of the savannah. Who rules the skies with higher flight, eagle or falcon? The eagle, soaring higher than almost any bird. Who's the ocean's top swimmer, dolphin or penguin? The dolphin, sleek and super fast underwater. Who roars louder, lion or tiger? The lion. Its roar echoes for 8 kilometers. Who lives longer, giant tortoise or blue whale? The giant tortoise. Some live over 150 years. Who's the stronger climber, monkey or sloth? The monkey, quick and unstoppable in the trees. Who has sharper eyesight, owl or hawk? The hawk, spotting prey from miles away. Who's the better jumper, kangaroo or rabbit? The kangaroo, leaping over 30 feet in a single bound. Who carries the heaviest load, elephant or camel? The elephant, nature's strongest land carrier. Who's sneakier at hunting, leopard or crocodile? The crocodile, the silent ambush master. How many did you get right? Tell us your score in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more exciting animal challenges. See you in the next quiz adventure.